Gizmo! Bubbies. Okay, you're having fun. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Deborah, and that is my dog making all kinds of noise in the background. And I couldn't make it up if I tried. He does this every single time I film. But, you know, he's my baby and I love him, so what are you gonna do? Anyways, let's just try to make this intro short and sweet. I know I always talk a thousand words in all my intros. So we're gonna make it quick. Today's video, rude. In today's video, we are going to be doing another look with the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. And today I'm gonna try to do a more wearable look, you know what I'm saying? Not that I think any of my looks are not wearable, but more of a natural, it's not gonna be natural. It's gonna be a more neutral look with just a pop of blue. So that's what today's video is gonna be. Anyways, oh, also, while I have you here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I always forget to say that, so I just want to get that off my chest real quick, you know what I mean? And then, what was I gonna say? Oh, like and subscribe while you're here. You know, you don't know for sure if you're gonna like this video yet or not, but you might as well just hit that button. And then also, God, I was gonna say something, what was it? I have a giveaway that's running now until May 9th. So I will link the details for that below, and the giveaway is for a brand new Blue Blood palette, but that's not what I was gonna say. Oh, I was just gonna say, today's video is going to be a voiceover video. So, will it be good? I don't know. Will it be bad? Again, I don't know. Do you think I'm Nostradamus over here? I can't predict the future. Maybe it'll be boring, maybe it'll be fun. But I'm trying to switch it up because I feel like I can get a voiceover video done so much faster than a talk-through tutorial. But anyways, yada yada yada. You don't care about any of that, I'm sure. Let's just get right into this tutorial, shall we? I'm gonna go do an eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, it's me. It's me, Mario! So we're prepping the lid with the Tarte Shape Tape in light. And we're using a Morphe M224 brush, and we're just going to carve out the brow and prep the lid. And we're not going to set the concealer with any powders before we go in with our shadows. And that way we get the brightest pop of color. And before I go in with my shadows, I like to tap down the base with the Pure Blurring Concealer brush. And now we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Single Shadow in Fudge and the 283 MAC brush. And we're just pressing that color into the crease. And you want to tap the color in to start. You don't want to drag it around since the base is wet. And now we're going in with a Morphe M507 brush. And we didn't put any product on that brush. We are just blending out that color. Just swirling it around, you know, swirly swirl. Now we're going in with the Blue Blood palette. Ooh, ah. And we're going in with the color Celebrity Skin. And we are using a Morphe M562 brush. And we're just swirling that Celebrity Skin color right above Fudge, just to blend out the edges and make sure everything is soft. And you can hear my dog breathing and licking my face. Yes, thank you, Gizmo. That's very sweet. Just using little swirling motions to make sure that everything is blended. Now we're going in with the color Priceless, and I'm using a nameless blending brush. I'm sorry, this brush doesn't have a name. I've had it for a million bajillion years, so I'm sorry, but it's just a small little blending brush. And we're just blending out the edges even more to make sure that we have a nice gradient into the brow bone. And Gizmo's doing some nice ASMR breathing for you guys. Now we're going back in with the Fudge color from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I know this isn't in the Blue Blood palette, obviously, but you know, there was no dark brown in the palette, and I wanted to have a dark brown on my lid. You know what I'm saying? So we're just deepening that crease color up with the same brush we used before, the MAC 283 brush. And Gizmo's still doing his ASMR breathing, and he's right next to the microphone, so it's really nice. He's also chewing on some fuzzies, so that's cute. We're just blending this out further with the Morphe M507 brush, just to make sure that we've got a nice blend. You know how we do. Oh, and now I've switched back to that nameless brush, and I didn't add any more product, but we're just blending it out. Swirling it out and blending. Blendy, blend, blend. And now we're going back in with our Tarte Shape Tape in light, and we're going to cut our crease with the Morphe M224 brush. So you set that product down and then you blink up, and then where that transfers, that highest point of the transfer, is how you know where to cut your crease. And we're only doing a half cut crease today, so it'll be nice and easy peasy. As easy peasy as a cut crease is going to be. You want to use the outline of your eyeball socket as a guide. Also, that helps to know where to cut your crease. That sentence was a little backwards, but you get it. Now we're going back in with the Anastasia Fudge color on a Morphe M326 brush, and we're just using this to blend out the outer edges of that base so it all blends into a nice gradient into the outer corner of the eye, because you want the outer corner to be the darkest. And now we're going in with the color Crystal Flesh from the Blue Blood palette, and we are laying that down all over the crease cutting, the lid, that's what it's called, with the Alamar Cosmetics Flat Shader brush. And this is one of my favorite brushes to use for the lid. Now I'm blending out the edge a little bit more with the Morphe M326 brush and the color Fudge, just to make sure we have a nice gradient. And I'm cleaning up around the crease cutting that we did, just to make sure all the edges are nice and sharp, like a knife. And to make sure that it's all blended softly, I'm just going in with the Morphe M507 brush with no additional product, just to blend it all out. Now we're going in with a Pretty Vulgar gel liner. And I forgot to record this. Things got cut out. So now we're going in with the Lit Cosmetics glitter base and the Morphe E39 brush and the color Blue Ice. And we're just laying that on top of the winged liner. And again, I really thought I was recording the winged liner, but I wasn't. So, we've all seen someone do a winged liner before, right? We're just gonna move right past that little mistake. And we're just covering up that liner. Good grief. Oh my God, Gizmo just set a tennis ball on top of my microphone. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we are prepping the skin with the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. And we're going in with the Morphe Fluidity Foundation in 2.20. And we're just putting this all over our face. I got some requests to do a full face tutorial, so here you guys go. We're doing our whole face. And we want to get the whole face covered in that foundation. And don't forget to cover your ears and your neck as well, so that your whole skin blends. Now we're going in with the Morphe Fluidity Concealer in 1.65, and we're just drawing a little tree, a happy little tree on our forehead. And some happy little bushes around our nose, because we get pretty red down there and it's not cute, you know what I'm saying? And, down the eyes. Some little happy little trees under the eyes. you know the drill. We're just patting this out, and I'm using the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. It's a very nice, inexpensive sponge, if I do say so. And, just beat in the face. Yeah, just pounce it right in. Just tap, 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 tap. Foundation right into the skin. Oh, I'm sorry, it's concealer, not foundation. And I really like the edge of this sponge for lining up right underneath like your sharp wing. So that's why this sponge is my favorite Morphe sponge. See, getting it right under that wing. Yeah, nice and tight. And now we're going in with the Cover FX Face Perfector palette. And we are going in with the finishing powder and the brightener. And we took a mix of that, and we took it on an e.l.f. I can't remember the name of this brush, but I'll link it down below. We are just taking that in the T-zone area, and I like to set my T-zone with these kind of powders before I go in with my translucent powder because I think it gives your skin a nicer finish. So now we're going in on the rest of the face with the RCMA No Color Powder. We're making it snow up in this bitch. And I'm using a Moda Pro brush, I believe. I got it in my BoxyCharm, and I really like this brush for all over powder. And we're just putting it all over the face. Now we're going in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Golden on a Morphe E2 brush. I really like this step for putting some life back into your skin after you sucked it all out with the translucent powder. And now we're going to contour. I'm moving faster than I can speak. So we are contouring with the contour shade in the Face Perfector palette and the contour brush from Luxie. And to contour our nose, I use the Sigma E30 brush. You can use code DeborahJen at checkout to save yourself some money. This is my favorite nose contouring brush. Now we're going in on the forehead with the Morphe E2 brush and some butter bronzer, just to make sure that forehead is nice and contoured. You know what I'm saying? You know, we gotta make it look like we got a short forehead. Now I'm just baking around the nose to bring out the high points of the nose, and this is just the RCMA No Color Powder and a Morphe E37 brush. Now I'm dusting off the bake. I forgot a few steps because recording this without speaking is weird for me. Now we're going in with blush, and I'm using a Sephora blush brush. It is 1,000 years old. You can find one similar still at Sephora, or you can just use any old blush brush. The Morphe E4 is similar. Now I'm using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati on a Morphe M501 brush to highlight the cheeky cheeks and, you know, make that glow from space look. Yes, we are highlighting. Darling. Ooh, yes, never too much highlight. And I'm just going over my highlight with a damp sponge just to make sure it blends in with the skin well. After I've done my face, I like to finish my brows, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. Before I start doing my makeup, I always just do a basic brow, but then I finish them at this point in my makeup step. I know it's weird, I know most people don't do it, but whatever. It works for me. Maybe it'll work for you. Now we're just combing the brows out just to give it a soft, natural look. And we're going in with the Sigma Brow Gel in Deep. Love this brow gel. It just gives the brows a little bit more motion so it looks like you have hairs. Brow hairs, you know what I'm saying? Now we're going in with the Marc Jacobs Fine Liner in Blacker. This is my favorite go-to eyeliner for tightlining the upper lash line, and this step is essential to make sure that there are no gaps in your lashes. Now we're just coating the lashes with some Butter London Power Up Mascara just to make them dark so that the falsies blend in nicely. Yahoo! Oh. Now we're going in with the shade Ocean Ice. I think I called it Blue Ice before. I don't know. And a Morphe M326 brush. And we are just dusting that right... Oh god, my eye's watering. We're dusting that right onto the lash line, keeping it as close to the lash line as possible. Now we're using the color Blue Blood and a, I believe, Morphe E38 brush. I'll get it in the thing below. But we are dusting that right under that first blue shade just to blend it all out. Now we're using the color Minty on a Morphe, no, this is a Morphe E18 brush. The other brush was a Morphe E36 brush, I'm sorry. And this, we are just dusting it even lower to just make it as smoky down there as possible. The big reveal, ha! Oh god, I'm annoyed with myself, yes. You're not the only ones who are annoyed. Now we're going in with the color Entitled, and I'm annoyed because I almost forgot this step. And we're just highlighting the inner corner with a Sigma E30 brush, I believe. I'll figure it out and let you know. Yes, we're making a real cute face. We're cute. Now we're going in with the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. And we're doing a little dance, you know, because I've got high anxiety when I was filming this, and, you know, acting like a crazy person makes me feel better about myself. So leave a comment below if acting like a crazy person also makes you feel better about yourself. Or let me know if I'm the only weirdo. So we used the House of Lashes white glue, and we're just popping these bad boys on. And we just took a little dance break to relieve our anxiety while the glue was drying, you know. Don't mind me. Oh yes, now we're dancing some more. Yes. Seriously, you guys, my anxiety was like through the roof when I was recording this. Woo. Oh, my eyes are really watering. It's a struggle. It's a real struggle. Yeah, roll those eyes, girl. Roll those eyes. Dance the anxiety away. Dance it away. So the lashes are on, people. And we're really feeling the music. It's making us forget that we even have struggles in life. Now we're going in with the ColourPop Lippy Liner in one of my favorite shades, BFF2. And we are lining the lips. And when you're lining your lips, make sure you only overline in the center of the lips and then meet your natural lip line in the corner. And that way you don't look like a clown. Because, you know, we're not trying to be Ronald McDonald up in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? And when you're done, just kiss and blink. Now we're going in with the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Cookie, a fantabulous nude shade. And we're just putting that all over the lips. Duh. And now we're making another weird face. You feel me? And I forgot this step earlier. We are going in with some Jeffree Star lipstick. And I forgot the shade name, but I will link it below. And we're just taking that on a Morphe M250-1 brush to line the waterline. You know, add even more of a pop of blue. And my eyes are really watering. That really stabbed my eyes out. And we're done. Okay, guys. So I'm back. I mean, I've been here all along. You've seen me. But I'm here with the finished look, is what I mean. And I feel like my computer's being really, really loud. Hello? It's hell-bent on being as loud as possible. I hope the noise isn't too loud. But anyways, here's the finished look. And if you're wondering if I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore in my last Blue Blood tutorial, yeah, I am, okay? Because I only have one blue shirt. So, I mean, what do you want me to do? But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I feel like these silent videos where I don't talk are really weird and difficult for me, and I end up skipping steps because I'm like, I don't know, for some reason talking is easier because I'm just crazy. But anyways, I feel like I've been silenced for so long that I don't know how to talk all of a sudden. Okay, this computer really, really, really needs to stop. It is so loud, it's crazy. Okay, so I got rid of my computer, so hopefully the noise is gone. My god, this is stressful. I don't know why I was so stressed out doing this. I'm kind of in a mood, you know what I mean? I'm just like, ugh, god, this has been a day. Actually, it's been 2 days because I started recording this yesterday and then I just gave up. I don't know. I'm really rambling now and about stuff that like no one has ever cared about. So I'm just gonna go. I don't know if this video is gonna be any good or not. I mean, again, I'm not Nostradamus. I cannot predict the future. Maybe I can fix it in editing. Pray for me, okay? Just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below with the worst nightmare you've ever had in your life, because I'm living it right now. Okay, yeah, leave me a comment with one of your craziest nightmares, because I have crazy nightmares all the time. I've got a lot of demon dreams, you know what I mean? Just random demons, so that's an interesting life I live. I also am like a very thrashy, loud sleeper. I talk in my sleep, I yell in my sleep, I like roll around like a crazy person in my sleep, so yikes, you know what I mean? Okay, anyways, I really G2G. I'm gonna film a couple more videos today. One of them is going to be the Blue Blood lipstick swatches, so tune in for that. Tune in. Does anyone say tune in? No. Yikes. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Please don't unsubscribe if this is terrible. You know, just hang in there. Okay. Well, thanks for hanging out. Bye.